Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, dear students. Today we have another chapter, College Panda SAT, second edition. Today, inshallah, we will explain chapter 4, rates. Okay. We have audience today on YouTube and here as well with this live. On Zoom, we have some of my students. I just read them. We can start now. توكل على الله. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we have some kind of ratio. This ratio lesson is rates. What is the concept of rate? Rate, it means that the ratio with different type and units. I mean, about the velocity, okay, or speed. We mentioned that the car is on a speed 60 kilometer per hour. So this called rates or speed, kilometer here or miles per hour. So this is called rate. Different type and different unit as well. Is it clear? My voice is clear. Please confirm. So first problem here we have first example looks like division. Most of problem here is division problem. Just make very simple mathematic operation. I just make here whiteboard. We have a bicycle manufacturer can produce 20 bicycles per hour. This is the rate here, 20 units of bicycle, bicycle per hour. So how many hours would it take the manufacturer to produce 320 bicycles? Okay. So very easy. That means we have every hour 20. So we can divide it 320 unit divided by 20. The answer should be 16 hours. Is it easy? 16 hours. But here I will try to make you catch the concept of rate. What is the rate here exactly? Rate here is handled like proportion. So we have here the units or bicycle. Here is the time or hour. Make it hour. So we have 20 per hour means that he is after 320 bicycle. How long or how length? What is the duration of production for 320 unit of bicycles? So this is a variable is needed to know about. You see, the rate is handled as a proportion. So X cross product multiplication, 320 times 1 is the same over 20. I hope it's clear. Okay. Any problem, please ask. Is the same exactly like problem we solved before. One step, very easy. This is not for SAT. This is for your understanding. This is SAT or EST solution method. Okay, go to next problem. We have example about a rocket. Okay, We have example about the rocket here. Just a second, let me check my voice is clear there on live or not. Be back again. Sorry. Next question. We have a rocket problem about the left time here. Now, in this example, we have a rocket has 36 gallons of fuel again. Left. Next question we have after 2 hours of flight and only 1 gallon after 6 hours of flight. This kind of problem is very important. It comes with different forms. Here about a rocket, sometimes about a car, another about plane, flights, another about maybe a motorcycle or train. The same exactly, but different, same idea exactly, but different figures and different attributes of the question. So here we have this problem talk about timeline consumption. What does it mean by timeline consumption? That means every time pass during the journey or the trip, we have some of fuel left. So we start at full tank maybe, or whatever the capacity of starting, but the time always time is 0. After 2 hours, here hour, we have 360 gallon left. This is the capacity or the fuel. Then later, after 6 hours, we have 100 gallon left. So where is the question actually? What is the N? What is N here? N here. N is a constant, which that means in gallons burns of fuel for every hour of flight. So every hour of flight, we have a rate, constant rate, burning of fuel. This is the rate here. So one of the main idea of this chapter, rate comes like slope. How comes? Different. Whatever y here, always different x. X here is always time in this kind of problem. Here, different y. Y is the capacity or the quantity amount of fuel. Okay, this is the gallons. So it's very easy, this y and this x. So difference between y's is mentally, by the way, I just explain it. You can make it in very, very quick time. So 360 subtracted by 106 minus 2, but we can make it in order. Would be more correction. Okay, 2 minus 6. Mister, it would be in negative. Yes, in negative because it's consumption. So it should be 260 over 4. But when we talk about the rate of consumption, we just make an absolute. Okay, that's all. So should be using your calculator. We can use calculator here or calculator in Blue Book. We have many sessions about Blue Book. I hope you will understand it very well when we use Blue Book, inshallah. So the answer here is very clear and very easy, is 65. You see, 65 watt gallon per hour, 65 gallon per hour. In this kind of question, we have another question could be asked about it. So maybe you ask it to find the length, total length of the trip. So we have here 6 hours, then we remainder or the left of gallon is 100 gallon. So we have another 65, takes 1 hour. So the remainder should be 35. So 35, it makes how many? About half hour. So we can calculate it here, very easy here, 36 divided by 65. The answer should be, you see, should be 0.55. So exactly 100 gallon should be made like this time here. So the total time or end of the trip is 7 hour 0.55, approximately 7 hour and a half. So if we back here, another type of question about the capacity of tank at the starting point, at the beginning of the trip, whatever the kind of question. So if we back here, we will back 2 hours. Each hour consumes 65 gallon per hour. So we have 2 hours, 65 plus 65 or 65 times 2. So before burning, we have 360 plus 165 by 2. 130 gallon is burned in 2 hours. So the full tank or the capacity before the trip is beginning was 449 gallons. This is all kind of question could be asked here. I hope it's clear. أي سؤال, any question, please share me your question on YouTube. I can receive any question in chat on live. If not live and you saw it, you see it later, you can send to me on Telegram group or WhatsApp or just write comment. We move to next question. Any question, أي سؤال معايا على live, أي سؤال. Okay, no response, so no question. We can go to number 3 here. Question 3, this is chapter 3, chapter 4, question 3, sorry. Here we have a chapter 3 about the budget problem. I hope it will be easy for you. This is budget problem. He talk about a box or boxing packaging at supermarket. Packaging here at supermarket in this example very easy and very clear as well. We have supermarket. When he package his orange there, so one box can hold 6 orange. So we have one box hold 6 orange. So here, each orange cost what? Cost 20 cents. We have a clear information here, and maybe it's a problem. So each box cost 6 times 20 cents should be 120 cents. Is it clear? Okay, after that, he gives us supermarket has a budget $540. Cannot handle it with a different coins or different type of coins, cents and dollar. We have to confirm this to be cent as well. What is the question? How many boxes will the supermarket be able to fill? He asked about the number of boxing. So the total budget here is about 540 times 100 cents over the cost of one box. This is cost for one box, okay, for a box. So it's very easy here to use calculator and just use it. We'll find it here. Just a second, please. Calculate it in calculator here. We have the answer 540 times 100 over 120. So the answer should be 450 books. So the supermarket owner can package with this budget 440 books. I hope clear. Very easy than his method. His method is very complicated, I think. Even this one is not direct solution. He gave us 20 cents makes one orange, 5 orange. So 5 orange make 100 cents means dollar. He make it in mixing strategy. This is confusion. Okay. Another problem about the travel and speed. It's very easy about it because we have already knowledge about it's a black screen. No worry. Let us explain it here. A car can travel 1 mile in a minute, and in 1 minute and what 15 seconds. Not good. We have 2 units of time. Would be better ways to make it all are the smallest 1 unit. So the smallest unit here is second. So 1 minute is 60 seconds and another 50 minutes is 75 seconds. So we have a rate and handle the rate here 1 mile. It covered in 75 seconds. So take care about the unit. This is our rate 1 mile in 75 seconds can be handled as a proportion because he asking about what? He asking about 1 hour. Cannot be 1 hour with second. Makes how many miles? He asked about the distance. So we can convert 1 hour to be 60 minutes first. Therefore, 60 minutes convert again to be 60 seconds. Or one time step, just write it down here, x over 60 times 60 times 1, it's neural multiplicative identity. So no need to write 1 times 60 times 60. Here we converted 1 hour to seconds. It's very easy now to handle it cross product. So we have here 60 times. Don't make any production. Don't make any product or find the result of time. Should be x times 75. You can make it in other way, transfer to be division. So 60 times 60 over 65, make it one step. You can, I just explain for you. You can make it one step here using calculator. Just write down here, copy all on the screen of calculator screen. I hope it's clear, but I know we can make it, sorry. We can make it here like a fraction. Yes, I hope it's clear. So 60 times 60 over 675 should be the total length, the total miles. Here, yes, total distance or length 48 miles. So it's cover 48 miles per hour, 48, another rate here. But he didn't ask about the rate in hour. He's just asking about the distance, how many miles in hour the car can be traveled. I hope it's easy and clear. Any question, please ask or send to us. Move to next one. It's 36, 45, yes, 45 miles here. We have another kind of problem. It's looks like physics problems and mathematician part. And also, we will not use conversion unit. We use it in better way. I hope you understand my method in explanation. I think I try to make it in easiest way as I can for you, not for me. I hope if any problem, I can re-explain it in your way. Don't worry. Just tell me if my method not clear. I will re-explain any part you mentioned about it, re-explain in a separated video. Here in this example, we have example 5. Tom drive 30 miles at an average rate 50 miles per hour. So 30 miles at an average rate, that means speed. We need to be confirmed. Yes, the unit here, distance per hour. This is the unit of speed or velocity. So we have here this triangle. You remember this triangle? What does it mean in physics or even mathematics in some curriculums? So we have distance here times distance equal speed times time. So it's easy to handle any part here. If we handle time, distance divided speed. If we handle speed, distance by time. But he asking what? We have two persons, Tom and Leona. Tom drives. So about Tom first. Sorry, Tom without T. Tom drives. This is the speed of Tom. Speed of Tom is 30 miles per hour. And sorry, 50 miles per hour here. Tom is 50 miles per hour. But distance is 30 miles. Okay, 50 miles per hour. And distance of Tom, make it capital would be better. Distance of Tom equal 30 miles. So just we need time for Tom, or Tom time Tom here equal what? Time is distance 50 over 30. Great, this is great here. In the other way, not in this way, because distance in flip it 30 divided 50. Take care about the plug in the value. From here, distance is the numerator, speed is the denominator. So about Leon here drives an average speed. Speed of Leone equal 40 miles per hour, slower. How many? This is the question. Where is the distance of Leona? The manipulating here about the distance, it's unclear, but you have to read the question to last phrase. How many more minutes? So how many more? How many less? It's subtracting, comparison by subtracting. He already mentioned that how many more minutes will it take her? She will take more time, already compared, but by how length or how many minutes she is exceeding Tom. هي أكتر من توم بقد إيه وقت. If she drives the same distance, so distance is the same here, Leona, like 30 miles. So now become to be very easy time for Leona equal to here 40, the speed is 40, the same time here, but he mentioned how many minutes, but he give us the speed by hours. So the time here should be hours, right? No, it's very easy to convert here. Hours times 60 becomes minute, times 60 becomes minute. Don't calculate everything, just put it in your calculator like this here. You can make it one step of already you got the idea. So now we have what? We have 30 over 50 multiplied by 60, converted. So Tom will take 36 minutes. Okay, Tom will take 36 minutes. For Leona, just backspace with your calculator arrow here and change only the 50 to be 40. So it should be 45 here. Leona takes 45. So very easy to get the difference. You're asking about the difference as we mentioned. How many more? That means the difference. Okay. Just very easy subtraction problem. 45 minutes minus 36 is 9 minutes longer than Tom, I hope it's easy and clear. If you not understand it, please mention to us and we can back to it again. The last problem we have here in this chapter is about modeling problem. No data, no enough data here. There is not enough data at all. I just make a blackboard and back to you very soon. We have here Tom prepare to his class. Mr. Tom prepare to, sorry, no, Mr. Chu has to print a number of booklets for his class. So we have here P pages per booklet, P pages per booklet, each booklet, but he mentioned a number. So we can put a variable for this part because we need to define every digit or every figure mentioned is a problem, even it is a noun. So we make it like a X or A, B, C, but we have B and C and D. So be away from any symbol used in the example. X not used, so X would be better. So each booklet is B pages. Number of pages now we have X times B. So all pages. Already he agree with someone who print, go to the Xerox or any printer shop. If he make agreement, like an agreement with him or her, every 5 pages. So this should be every 5. How many 5s here? The number of pages times number of booklets, pages, booklets. So total number of pages over 5 give us every 5. How many 5s? So this number of 5s should be multiplied. Each 5 is cost C cents. Each 5 from those cost C cents. Okay, so this is equal to D dollar. He spent D dollar. Cannot make it cent with dollar. Cannot here. This is a problem here. This is cents and this is dollars. This is not acceptable. So we have to multiply this by 100 to convert it to be cent, to be the same units, right and left sides. I hope it's clear here. Where is the question actually? He asked how many booklets, ask about this variable. So it's very important to mention it here. Just rewrite X in terms of B, C, and D. Very easy now. Just times 5 here. So we have times 5 both sides. X times BC or CB, up to you. Both are the same. Here, 5 times 100 is 500. And rewrite G here or whatever, which place. So divided both side by PC or CB, the same, because we have commutative property for multiplication numbers, those numbers here. So just convert it to other side to be divided by CB here as well. CB here. So X equal 500 D. It starts to be clear here. The answer is D. Complete, please. 500 D over CB or BC is exactly D. You see? I hope it's easy and clear. Any other problem? اللي الناتج طلع سالب. Sorry. بنتنا سعاد. الناتج طلع سالب فين؟ Which problem, please? Just so في المسألة اللي فوق بتاعة الروكت للناتج بالسالب. ما فهمتي؟ أعيد أي جزء أعيده؟ قولي لي وأنا أعيده فورا. دايما موجودة معانا إن شاء الله. أنا لسه شايف الشات، شفته متأخر. We just finished here this chapter, but I'm waiting for your question. Please write it. سعاد بنتنا، الناتج طلع بالسالب فين؟ بتهيألي احنا طلعنا ناتج واحد بالسالب. مسألة 2. حاضر، هعيدها كلها تاني حالا. example 2. خليكي معايا. بتاع روكيت صح؟ بتاع الصاروخ. هو المفروض يطلع بالسالب ونعمله ابسوليوت، بس ليه طلع بالسالب هقول لك حالا. بصي كده. we have here. اوكي معاكي حق، بس تعالي انت بتقولي 360 minus 100. خلينا نعمل اللاين تايم تاني. هو بدأ هنا عند تايم 0، وبعدين مشي. التايم بيزيد صح؟ التايم بيزيد، يعني التايم ساعتين 2 hours، وبعدين 6 hours. التايم بالانس بتقل، واحد بيزيد واحد بيقل، يبقى ريت نيجاتيف. اوكي وصلت؟ انا هقفل ميوت عشان اسمع الفويس. اوكي سمعت الفويس نوت بتاعتك. بنتي بصي كده، التايم هنا بيباص، التايم بيزيد. تمام. الجالون كان 360 becomes 100. اذا واحد زاد واحد decrease، ده خلينا نعملها اب كده، واحد اب والتاني داون، يبقى لازم الريت بالنيجاتيف. طيب احنا لو بنجيب ريت زي ما اتفقنا، ريت هو ايه؟ هو صور من rate of change. rate of change ده صورة من صور السلوب. هو بيتهاندل like the slope exactly. So x should be here x1 and x2. The gallon of capacity should be y, y1, y2. This is the reason exactly we get it with negative y. بس يعني لو غلطنا الغلطه دي في الامتحان الدنيا سهله، ما تخافيش. البوزيتيف صح، لان الاجابه هتكون بالبوزيتيف. لان الريت لما بنقول الريت decreasing by كذا، هو اوريدي بيسال الان بكام، بس الانسر لازم تكون بالبوزيتيف. So 100. This is y2 here. You see, this is y2 here. 100 minus 360. حلو. So عند ال 100 عندنا 6 hours because this is the second values. So second values in both up and down minus 3 both up and down. So 6 minus 2. This is okay. اطلع 260 زي ما انت قلت، بس التايم بالنيجاتيف لان التايم بيقل، فتطلع كلها minus 65. وضحت؟ ابعتي لي لو لسه مش واضحه. طبعا احنا ما بناخدش ماينس، بنكتب 65 جالون وجاست 65، ما بنكتبش حتى اليونت. لو مش واضحه قولي لي اشرحها تاني. احنا خلصنا الشابتر. مستني اي اسئله على الشات بتاع الجروبس او على المباشر هنا. اي اسئله؟ لو مش واضحه قولي لي اشرحها تاني. يا رب تكونوا فهمتوا النهارده معايا، وإن شاء الله المرة الجاية ناخد شابتر 5 سوا. مستني أي تعليقات منكم. برافو بنتي فهمت اللي معايا في اللايف، بارك الله فيها يا رب. أشوفكم على خير. Have a very nice night إن شاء الله or whatever afternoon or morning whenever you see the video or as well in any other country. See you later إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.